Welcome back, folks! Today, we're diving into a product that's a game changer for our furry friends, especially for our canine companions. Get ready to learn all about the Hartz UltraGuard ProMax flea and tick collar for dogs. The top-notch solution for keeping those pesky critters at bay. Now, what makes this collar stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, durability. This collar is designed to last, providing up to 12 months of solid protection against fleas and ticks. That means fewer trips to the vet and more peace of mind for you and your furry friend. But durability isn't the only thing this collar has going for it. It's also incredibly easy to use. No messy applications or complicated instructions here. Simply slip it on your dog, and you're good to go. And let's talk about comfort. The Hartz UltraGuard ProMax flea and tick collar is designed with your dog's comfort in mind. It's made with soft, flexible material that won't irritate their skin, so they can go about their day without any discomfort. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the scent. Some flea collars can be overwhelming with their strong odors, but not this one. The Hartz UltraGuard ProMax collar is unscented, so your dog won't be bothered by any unpleasant smells. And of course, we can't forget about value. Priced competitively, this collar offers unbeatable value for the level of protection it provides. Say goodbye to expensive treatments and hello to long-lasting prevention. So, there you have it, folks. The Hartz UltraGuard ProMax flea and tick collar for dogs. With its durability, ease of use, comfort, lack of scent, and unbeatable value, it's no wonder why it's considered the best in the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on all the latest products. Until next time, keep those tails wagging and those fleas at bay.